This is Said DStreet from France, the Battle Keys, you know. So today I will show you some touch variation, but before that I will introduce you my partner of the day,
Caroline.
yeah, Miss Carolina. Okay, let me show you the full variation with the count. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. So right now let me explain you. We start with a touch. Touch, back, then touch in the opposite way. Okay? And back, here we open, and with my shoulder I will push her, okay, like that. Push and step, touch, step, touch, step, pivot, okay, and step, close, and then we finish with the touch in the opposite way and back. Okay, right now I will give you some tips. Don't forget, guys, to lead with your friend, okay? Push, pull, okay, open, and don't forget to have a little pressure between your hand, okay? For example, at this step, okay, I have a little pressure, I can lead her, okay? And for you, girl, just you have to feel the leading of your partner, and that's it. Just have fun. Okay, guys, let's go with the music. Okay guys, now you just have to practice and full support. I hope to see you soon, okay? And we love you.